the real reason you snore and how to actually stop it. Snoring isn't just noise. It's physics, anatomy, and airflow working against you while you sleep. Let's break it down clearly. Why you snore. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax. For some people, that relaxation narrows the airway too much. Air now struggles to pass through. Instead of flowing smoothly, it vibrates soft tissues. The soft palate, the uvula, the back of the tongue. That vibration creates the snoring sound. The narrower the airway, the louder the vibration. Warning sign # when it becomes serious. If the airway collapses too much, airflow can briefly stop. This is called sleep apnea. Your brain then wakes you up slightly to restart breathing, often without you remembering. That's why some people wake up tired, with headaches, or with dry mouth. Stop sign why most quick fixes fail. Most people try nasal strips, anti-snore sprays, special pillows. These can help if the issue is mild nasal blockage. But if the root problem is throat collapse or tongue position, those won't solve it. White heavy checkmark how to actually reduce or stop snoring. Here's what works based on cause. Weight management. Excess neck fat can narrow the airway. Side sleeping. Sleeping on your back lets the tongue fall backward. Avoid alcohol before bed. Alcohol relaxes throat muscles even more. Treat nasal blockage. Allergies or chronic congestion matter. If severe, a sleep study can check for sleep apnea. In serious cases, devices like CPAP machines keep the airway open. Snoring isn't random. It's your airway telling a story. The key is understanding what's collapsing and fixing that specific cause. Because silence at night usually means your breathing is working the way it should. Like and subscribe for more smart knowledge.